Hi, I'm John Hopkins with Suncor Outdoors. We're out here at the Williamson project. This pool was built just a little over a year ago. We're out here to try to correct some of the problems that didn't get corrected in the new pool construction. Looking at this pad is a temporary pad. Evidently, when they did the gunite of the pool, they forgot to pour the pad. So they picked up 3 different independent temporary pads and threw them down, put a little concrete in front and tried to cover it. But if you look closely at the pad, it's starting to lean towards the front. The main pool pump is actually off the pad in front. So what we're going to come in and do is we're going to have to remove all the equipment from the pad. First the electrical and then the plumbing. Take the equipment off, take the temporary pads out. We're going to have to pour a new concrete pad and then reinstall all the equipment. The other thing that kind of jumps out at you, this is a beautiful pool. This is the water feature pump right here. This pump should be set up to run each water feature independently as well as all of them at once. This one is set up with no actuators but ball valves for 2 of the water features. One of the other features has a 2-way valve, but none of them are automated. And if you notice, the pump is a regular 2 horsepower pump. It doesn't have a 4-phase. It doesn't have speeds that you can program for a low speed for a bubbler or a little bit more for a sheer descent, are wide open to run the top of the grotto, the sheer descent, and the bubbler all at the same time. So we're going to go in and change out these 2 pumps. This will also be a 4-phase pump to help Mr. Williamson save on his electric bill. You can run that at 1/8 of a horsepower for a longer duration of day. Oh, you might save approximately $60 to $70 a month in your electricity bill. It'll come back to pay for the pump in a very short time. So this is going to be one of our first phases on the pool that we're doing.